In this tutorial, you will learn how to edit SideCart feature. There are two tabs in the SideCart settings. General settings allows you to customize the look and feel of the SideCart. And the widgets under the widget section will allow you to enable different upsell methods. Simply click on the widget and customize the settings according to your needs. Let's check out other widgets like the progress bar. You can drag these widgets as location and use the I button to hide them. You can also add other widgets like product upsell, product recommendations, product bundle, birthday collector, survey widget, image with text, custom HTML, discount widget, checkout button widget, and integration with our order delivery date app.